We go shit, bitch. If I'm off of a doobie, I'm probably with Tuki. I'm loving this bitch cause she got all this booty. She think I'm a couple, she only a groupie. She ain't got a hustle, she ain't nothing to me. Can't cuff her, she say she in love with my jewelry. Material bitches just too strong to me. I need me a chick who be humble, not bougie. Still want her and got my own rockin' that Gucci. To the top and the top, know the rain gon' come. When the time come, boy, better spray your gun. Make them pop at the top, know the day gon' come. Stack it up like a Lego, boy. Stack it up, stack it up. Alright, so what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Zaestylez, and we back for another video, man. I just want to first, again, thank everybody who liked, comment, subscribed, and shared, you know, my last videos. I really appreciate it, and they doing so well. I appreciate everybody that's just doing what they can for me so that we can grow as a channel. We can grow together. For today's video, y'all, I'm doing an unboxing. It's gonna be my first unboxing ever, so bear with me. I got some Asos, some shoes from Asos that was $40, you know, super cheap, but it's always some nice quality. You know, they got a floral print all over them, and we finna look into them for the first time. It's gonna be my first time seeing it just as well as y'all, because I literally have not opened up any of it. Like, it's still in the box. So it's gonna be my first time seeing it just as well as y'all's. And let's just see how we like it, you know? So, yeah, let me see which side I should open this from. I don't really know. Oh, let's see, let's see. There we go. We got them out the box. Let's see if there's anything. Oh, but not out the box, my fault. We got this little paper. Loafers and multi-floral print. Yeah. I bought these, y'all. I ordered them on the 4th. January, February, March, April. April 4th. And today is, I think, April 24th. I haven't had time to do the video for y'all, but I wanted y'all to see my first reaction to them. So I haven't opened them for 20 days. Yeah, that's insane. I haven't opened them for 20 days. So yeah, I don't need this anymore though, so we gonna put that over there. But we got the box, you know, got Asos on it right here. It's pretty, you know, got it right there again. So yeah, let's just open them. Let's get into it. Oh my goodness gracious. Ooh, first sight of some goodness gracious.
First bite of some goodness gracious.
Look at these joints, bro. These mugs is hard for real. Oh my god, hold on, let me fix the lighting so y'all can see what it was really like. Oh, I like them too, you know. These joints dope. I got them in a size 8 because I ordered from Asos before. I ordered a pair of Chelsea boots, and they was just like too big. I got a 9.5 because that's my size, but they were too big. So I went down a size just to see if you know, just to hopefully it'll fit. I love this floral. Oh, shoot! Look at that! I like that. But I love the floral print on it. I love this design, the way that is stitched on there. Yeah, it's great quality. It's like, you don't see no glue. You don't see none of that. Like, it's great quality, especially for $40. It's yeah, that's it. So it's more of a grayish color. I thought it was kind of like white, but it's more of a gray. But it's okay because I still love them like a whole lot. You know, that's the bottom, just in case y'all wanted to see that. They so they so beautiful. I love them. I'm so happy I bought them. Like, cause I was really on the fence, for real. I was on the fence about buying them. I'm like, should I get them? But then I ended up buying them. It was really my friend's fault. I looked at him. I'm like, bro, should I buy these? He said, go ahead. So I bought them. I mean, it was only $40 though,
And I feel like it's a great buy for $40. You know, yeah, it's beautiful. Let's get the other one out, just so y'all see them. Oh, yes. These are beautiful, beautiful. I like them a whole lot. So let's just, again, no glue anywhere. Can't see none of the glue. It's all stitched really, really well. Everything is in place. The snaffle right here is not too loose. You know, you can move it a little bit per usual, but it's not too loose, so it's not gonna fall off or anything. I feel like it's a great buy for $40. Amazing. I'm so happy I bought them. And what I'm gonna do with these, listen, y'all don't understand. Wait till I put my outfit together with these. Cause I don't got no outfit yet. I ain't gonna hold y'all, but it's coming. It's coming real soon. I promise y'all, I'm gonna show y'all. My goodness, I love the blue on it. That royal blue is just like, boom, it's just out there, you know, it's just, I love it. I love it a lot. And then you got the grays and the whites and the blacks in there. It's an amazing shoe, perfectly designed, you know, perfectly executed. Got the floral print all over it, like it's just all over this mug. It's just everywhere. It's everywhere. I like it. You know, it ain't no string, so you can. It's really like just slip on. You can just slip them joints on there. You know, slip them right on your foot. It's slim at the toe, so if you got like a wide foot, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what you should do. But if you got a skinny foot, it's for you. You know, I mean, I ain't discriminating against wide feet. You know, it ain't your fault you got wide feet. You can still wear them. You probably just had to get a bigger size. I'm not too sure on the solution to that, but they definitely like got a slim, you know, slim build, slim shape to them. But yeah, I really am like in love. Like I really am. I just want to hold them close to my heart every day. I just want to, you know, love them. Nah, but yeah, no cap. It's a great shoe for $40. I know I keep saying that, but I really can't stress enough of how good this shoe is for $40. Like, oh, hold on, that blue's shining in this light though. Hold on real quick. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's a great shoe. I kind of want to try them on for y'all so I can like let y'all know how it fit. So yeah, we gonna do that. I guess so. We gonna try them on. But before I try them on, let me give y'all a better view of what it is that I'm seeing right now. So yeah, now I'm about to try them on for y'all, you know, cause I bought some Chelsea boots from Asos, as I said previously, but they was a little bit big. So I'm about to try these on to see if they fit properly or if I should start buying in this smaller size. But that's all right. So look, this. So yeah, y'all, I love to buy. I'm so happy I bought them. Happy my friend talked me into getting them. All he did was said like get them, and I did. So, but whatever, he convinced me. So again, just one last look at them before we get out of here. Definitely worth the buy. They fit well. Well, actually no, let me take that back. Get about a size down, at least one size down, because again I wear a 9.5, but I had to get an 8 in these, and they fit like a 9.5. So get about a size down. Yeah, I can't say anything bad about the shoe besides the fact that they run pretty big, but other than that, they're beautiful, very well executed. I love them. Y'all, I'm gonna leave the link in the description just in case y'all want to go get them, just in case y'all want to go check Asos out. I'm gonna just leave it there. You know, go check them out. They got some good shoes, good clothes. It's all cheap for real, and it's well worth it. It's good quality, you know. So yeah, go check them out. So that's gonna be the end of the video. I want to thank y'all again for tuning in, subscribing, like, commenting, sharing. I just want to let y'all know I really do appreciate it. Oh shoot. But I really do appreciate it. I promise y'all I do. So please keep doing those same things. Like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on the post notifications, because we dropping more and more videos. I'm gonna try to stay consistent, at least one video every week for now, until you know, and as we grow, the channel's content gonna grow more, you know. It's all a process. But I want to thank y'all. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on those notifications.
Stupid. Anyway,
let everybody know Zaestylez dropping bangers, Zaestylez keeping it entertaining, Zaestylez doing his thing, and he coming up. Thanks y'all, we out. Peace.